This is the homepage of Sunlangcom. You can sign up with two ways. You can click on the Sign Up button and you fill in your personal info and click on the button Save, or you click on the Facebook login button and log in with your Facebook username and password. Once you log in, you can edit your profile by clicking the Profile tab. Be careful to choose your interface language, the language in which you want the site to appear. From the left menu, you click on the button Languages. From the Select Language menu, you choose the language you would like to teach, and from the second menu, you choose the languages you wish to learn. By clicking on the Messages button on the left menu, you can send a message to a Sunlangcom community member. To do that, you have to go first to the Community tab in order to choose the person you wish to send a message to. You find a Sunlangcom user from the list, and you click on the orange Profile button. Then you click on the Send Message button. You can write your message, attach two documents by clicking the green arrows, and send the message by clicking Send button. Afterwards, you return to the Profile tab and you choose again Messages. From the left menu, you find the conversation with the Sunlangcom user and click on it. From now on, all messages to this person will be added to this conversation. If you want to reply, you can click on the button Send Messages and write your new message. Now let's see how to use the community's calendar. You click again on the Community tab, and from the left menu you choose the language from which you want to see the calendar. Once you do that, you return to the Calendar tab. Now you can see in the calendar the events in the language you wish to learn. Those events are Skype meetings with a certain topic and for a certain levels. If you want to participate in one of them, you have to send a message to the person organizing it. To find your language friends, you click on the Community tab. If you want to search for a friend you know, you can click on the Search button. Write any of the information you know about the person you search and your list is going to be filtered. Now you can add your friend by clicking on the green cross. When your friend request is pending, the cross will have the yellow color. In the red balloon on the top of the screen, one can see the Sunlangcom notification. One of them is the friend requests. When you click on the friend request of the red balloon, there is a pop-up window where you can accept or deny friend request. Once you click on the button Accept, you can see your new Sunlangcom friend in your friends list in the Community tab. If you want to join the forum groups or the chat of a language, you click on the Community tab, and then from the left menu you click on the flag of the language you want. Here the example in Greek. In the forum groups, you can choose a topic and click on it to enter. Then you can choose the conversation that interests you and make a post. One can reply to the post to another Sunlangcom friend. When you click the button Reply, it leads you to the reply from where you write your post. In your post, you also have the ability to upload photos or other attachments. If you want to use the chat room with your Sunlangcom friends that are online on the same time, you can click the chat button. You write on the message box and click Send. You click on the Save button if you want to save what you wrote in a .txt format. This option is important because after you leave the chat room, the conversation data is gone. After you click Save, this pop-up window appears and you have to click OK to continue. When you click OK, the .txt file is automatically saved on your computer. If you want to work with the material, you can click on the Material tab. In order to access the activities, click on the flag of the languages you wish to learn. In the activities list, you can find all the interactive activities in the language you have selected. For example, here, Greek. In this list, your work shall be divided in 3 categories: activities to do, activities done, and activities with feedback. Activities to do. All the activities you have not submitted to the community. Activities done. All the activities that are submitted but do not have feedback of another Sunlangcom user. They are not corrected. Activities with feedback. The activities that have received feedback from a native speaker or a tutor of the language you practice. If you want to find an activity of a specific thematic area, you need to click first the flag of the language you learn and then click on the image of the thematic area you want. You can view the content of the activity once you click on the Take Task button. You can do the activity. There are several types of activities: fill in the gaps, multiple choice activities, and open text activities. You can submit the assignment, activity done. A native speaker or a tutor shall be able to see your assignment and make you an offer to give feedback to you. Once a native speaker or tutor makes you an offer to give you feedback for your assignment done, you can see it in the red balloon of notification in the upper left corner. From the notification balloon, you can click on the offer that you want to accept, and you shall go to the activities list. Then you should go to the Activities Done area from the left menu. You can scroll down and find the activities done. In order to accept the offer of the Sunlangcom user who wishes to help you, you have to click on the Offers button. Once you click on the Offers button, you see all the offers made by Sunlangcom users, tutors, native speakers that wish to give you feedback on your assignment. This means that they want to collect Sun points from you. You choose one of them and you click on the Actions button. You have to click on the Actions button so to accept only one Sunlangcom partner to give you feedback. When you have a feedback for this activity, You shall see it in your notification red balloon. You go to the activities with feedback. You find again the exercise in the list, then you click on the button Offer. Now you can see the feedback of your activity done, the correct answers, some comments, and a mark for you. If you want to evaluate your Sunlangcom partner who gave you feedback, you can now give back feedback for the work done and help him or her get more Sunlangcom stars. You go back and you click on Give Feedback button. In this form, you can evaluate your Sunlangcom partner, tutor, native speaker, or good user of the language, and give back points up to 10 in each question, some maximum 30 points for each tutor per activity done. Once you put your comments and you do the ratings, click on the Save button to save your feedback. Remember, the Sunlangcom community can be a game. We help each other gain Sun points. For all the activities you give feedback, you gain Sun points, green, and for all the activities you receive feedback, you give away some of your points, yellow minuses. For those who get the more Sun points, they shall have a prize.